Namaskar. Welcome to the most powerful calling in the world, motherhood. I am Tejashri and I am a motherhood coach. Today, I am going to talk about a very common concern that mothers have, and I have also frequently come across this question during my sessions with the mother of a newborn. Why does my baby spit up milk? And should I be concerned? Um, I will just tell you a few words: uh, gastroesophageal reflux, infant reflux, or infant acid reflux. Oh my god, what do these terms even mean? And why are these terms being used in relation to infant spitting up? First, let us just try and understand the meanings of these terms. Reflux means the flowing back of liquid. Gastroesophageal reflux or acid reflux means the flowing back of stomach acid along with the milk or other food content due to poor closure of the esophageal sphincter, causing heartburn like pain or discomfort. Oh, this seems scary to listen. But moms, please be assured that this is not alarming if it is happening to your baby. So nothing to worry. Um, Spitting up is mild vomiting or regurgitation of milk and saliva that can occur in most of the infants, at least occasionally. Spitting may not contain large amounts of food or fluids. The fluid may look just like the milk that was just fed, or it may even appear slightly curdled. What causes spitting of milk or curdled milk? When we eat or drink, the food passes down the feeding tube called the esophagus and then into the stomach. In the stomach, the food mixes with acids and passes slowly further into the intestine for further, digestion. There is a valve between the esophagus and the stomach that helps to prevent the food from coming back up and out of the stomach. In infants, this valve is not very well developed, and so it can allow the liquid to go back up the feeding tube more easily. Since the infant's stomach is small, overfeeding or gulping too much air while feeding can cause the milk to regurgitate past the valve. That is why spitting up will usually occur right after feeding or while burping. As the baby grows, older and the organs develop, milk is less likely to pass this valve up and travel up the esophagus. Also, after the baby's 4 to 6 months, and as the baby begins to take solid foods and is also able to sit with or without support in an upright position, the spitting up usually decreases. When is it that I should not worry? The amount of fluid spit up may either be just a small portion of the feeding, which is normal, or it may even seem excessive sometimes. In both the cases, the baby will seem unaffected and be still happy. The normal spitting baby has a small to moderate amount of milk regurgitating. This will not affect the baby much, and the baby seems to think nothing has happened at all. He may sometimes have a mouth dripping with spit, upon his, cute face, and it will still be smiling. Sometimes the baby may choke on his puke a little, and it may come out of his nose too. So don't worry. It will bother the baby for just few seconds, just because of the discomfort of not being able to do anything about it. The normal spit may be chunky, curdled looking milk, or it may look exactly like freshly pumped milk. It really does not mean anything concerning. It's just that the curdled milk was just in his tummy a little longer than the other. The baby may or may not be hungry after throwing up. More often, they will not be hungry. This may be surprising for you since it looked like the baby threw up his entire feed. The spitting up bothers you more than it bothers your baby. Sometimes babies spit up ridiculous amount all the time, but they still seem to be happy. So what are the causes of concern? What is it that you should look for to know if it is concerning? If you have a happy spitting baby with well gaining weight, then you have nothing to worry about. But if the baby is not gaining weight or losing weight on the other hand, uh, then a visit to a pediatrician is warranted. Only a reflux due to overfeeding or due to air getting trapped will not cause disturbed sleep in the babies. But if the baby has gastroesophageal reflux, that is the stomach acid also coming out along with the milk, it may need some meds prescribed by the pediatrician to keep it down. If the infant stops breathing, becomes limp, or has any blue discoloration during a spitting up episode, then immediate medical attention is required. With normal spitting up, the child should not, stop breathing or turn blue. If the color of the spit is green or brown, then also it may be a sign of intestinal blockage and it will, require medical attention. Let me give you some tips to help with spitting. Handle the baby gently after feeding. Try to avoid significant activity immediately after the feeds because agitation of the stomach contents may result in more spitting up. Burping the infant frequently in between the feed and compulsorily after the feed to prevent the buildup of air in the stomach. Feed the baby slowly if your milk flows with force, to allow the baby to gulp easily and not gag or choke during the feeding. Be careful not to feed too much at a time. Smaller, more frequent feeds are easier to digest. Do not pacify or start feeding the baby immediately after the spitting episode, thinking that the baby is hungry. This way they may end up overfeeding again. Um, Keep the infant in upright position after feeding for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the gravity to help prevent the stomach contents from coming up. Keep clean up supplies like a cloth, napkin, to put it over your shoulder, and change of clothes nearby if required. If the baby is on supplemental vitamins, iron, or other multivitamins, um, with the permission of your doctor or pediatrician, try to discontinue them for a while to see if it makes a difference. Be watchful of your diet if you are breastfeeding the baby. Avoid eating spicy foods and foods that cause bloating. Cut down on too much of dairy products and food like eggs. If your baby has reflux and you seem to be fed up, just try to keep a positive attitude. No matter how cliche this phrase seem, but still it's a phase which will pass. And remember that almost in all cases, spitting up and reflux occurs in healthy babies who just need a little more time to grow. Thank you.